Like, who am I with this popular bag? Like, I'm not popular. This is like... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing my newest baby. Oh, this bag is such a stretch for me. It's like a cool bag. It's popular. It's a little trendy, although I would say it's a classic. I'm really shocked that this bag is even, well, that it was on my radar and that I have acquired it. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. I think you guys will be a little shocked. And I also want to talk a little bit about luxury and where we are right now and how we're moving forward. So if you guys would like to see my newest acquisition, please keep watching. Okay, so before we get into her, I do want to preface this video just to let you know how we're moving forward. I've made the decision to not do a large birthday luxury haul this year. I know last year I had like a 3 or 4 part series, if you will. And you know, this year the world is worlding. We are in very interesting times just in the economy overall, and I just want to have a little more social responsibility. I've spoken about this a little on Instagram. I spoke about it with a friend, and I've made a decision to not share the luxury things that I have acquired and purchased for my birthday this year. I just don't really feel it's socially responsible of me to, amidst everything going on, to come on here and show all the thousands of dollars worth of money that I've spent. I never want to be tone deaf, and in saying that, I realize that I have privilege and I also have influence. And I know when I'm watching my girls' videos, whether it's a $5 item, $500 item, $5,000 item, I am greatly influenced by the people that I trust and enjoy. And it's not making me feel good right now to want to show all these vacuous, meaningless material items. One thing you guys know from watching my channel is that the girl loves to shop. She loves to enjoy life fabulously, but we focus on more than just beauty and the fun things in life, and I never want to be tone deaf more than anything. So yes, I'm still going to enjoy watching luxury videos, and don't at all take this as me saying you're irresponsible if you want to put up hauls. No, you're not. You're doing what works for you, and believe me, I'm still going to watch them. But for me, I only do videos that I believe in and that make me happy, and it doesn't make me feel good to share such items right now. People are having trouble securing housing and putting food on the table, and I do feel socially irresponsible to share the things that I've purchased, because at the end of the day, they don't really matter that much. So we won't be doing luxury hauls for a while. I will still share the pieces that I'm using and loving because I'll be wearing them and I'll be sharing them in monthly favorites, but I just want to be respectful and very cognizant of where we are in the world. And I understand that my unique situation is not reflective of the masses, and I just want to be a little more responsible. So I hope you understand it, and if you don't understand it, I hope you just at least respect it, because I'm just trying to do what I feel is right. So there's that. But I did want to share the bag that I purchased for myself. So let's get into it. Now, as you can see, this baby came from the file of Le Fashion, because, you know, I do like to indulge in luxury, but if there's one thing your girl is going to do, it's secure a deal. So I was able to pick this bag up from Fashionphile on a great deal. And here is the item. You always have a festive moment. So shout out to Fashionphile. Oh no, I didn't get a nail file. Well, that's okay. I didn't really need one. So let's get into the bag. You guys, I'm so excited. Let's open her up, and then I'll get into why this bag is even in my collection, why I chose color and all that jazz. So this, of course, is how Fashionphile bags come. It says used is the new. And with the rather high price increases nowadays, I haven't gone into any store and bought anything. It's pre-loved only because I'd rather score a deal. So This is the baby that I purchased. She comes in this nice Fashionphile dust bag. Let's pop her open. I'm really excited. And, well, I'm sure the title is already gonna say it, but I purchased the Bottega Veneta Mini Jodie in the color Thunder. Oh my goodness. This baby, now this is a true unboxing because I have not opened this. I waited to share this experience with you all. I just have to say, this is probably the softest leather I've ever felt. It's soft and also delicate. So let's talk through how I came across this piece and how I scored it. I actually need to look back at previous videos. Bottega Veneta has never really been on my radar just because, like, in the olden days, the bags looked very vintagey and I wasn't really into it. I've also grown to love pieces that are not monograms. I wasn't like that 5 or 6 years ago. And the bags that were really popular in the past few years were like the cassette, and that just looked way too trendy to me. But this, something about this just said, take me to dinner, take me to brunch, let me sit on your lap. Like, she's fun, she's chic, very ladylike. So while this may be on trend right now and very popular, to me, this is a classic. This is something I can see myself carrying in 10 years going to dinner, okay? So that's why I chose this bag. Now, I will have to give a shout out to my girl, Olivia. I will link her channel down below. I've spoken about her in a few other videos. Obsessed with her channel. She is the main reason why I decided to pull the trigger. She unboxed a beautiful pink patent leather bag, a mini Jodie, and it looked like candy. I almost got that one, but I'm not really going out much. And so something like this, I would feel more comfortable wearing day to day. I mean, this is a small bag, but it's also in like this neutral color and this really pretty gray, which is called Thunder, that I could take this everywhere. So I will say, I am gonna get another mini Jodie. I just feel like this is a chic lady-like bag. I love it. So I'll probably get another pop of color, but Olivia really secured this purchase for me. And when I saw it on Fashionphile, I had to snag it. Now I did save $200 on it, and the original price was the old price because apparently Bottega Veneta has had a price increase. Your girl doesn't shop straight from the store unless I have to. I'm getting a deal always. So I did get this on a great deal and I love it. So let me just show you around the bag. This is what the zipper looks like, and it is a curved zipper. It's also in gold toned hardware. Y'all, this leather is buttery soft. The zipper is a little hard to maneuver, but I think it's because the bag zips on a curve. It did come with the Bottega Veneta dust bag. So that's what she looks like. The inside of the bag is this thunder color in leather as well. You guys, this is such a tiny little bag. Comes with probably care instructions. I love this so much. When I say I'm getting another one, like I haven't even, oh, she smells so good. This bag was listed in excellent condition. I really don't see any flaws, but I'm not someone who needs my bag to be perfect because this bag is so tiny, and because you can only carry it handheld, I'm just gonna be sitting it in my lap behind my back when I go to restaurants. But I love it so much. And I'm a little like, I didn't think it would be this small. I am gonna show you guys some mod shots because your girl's plus size, okay? I'm a plus size US 16, and I was unsure about how this would look compared to my larger body frame, but I think it's gonna look so cute. I cannot wait to pop the tag off and take her out. I may wear her tomorrow. But yeah, so I hope you guys like my new baby. One of my girls, Samantha, actually got the teen Jodie, which is the larger size, and like now I feel like I possibly need that one too. But the mini Jodie I think is going to be perfect for going out to dinner, running around town where you don't have to carry a lot. It is a small size, but I know it's going to fit a decent amount because it's not a structured bag. Also, my girl Delana, Brown Girl Luxe, just picked this up in the color Parakeet. I will link her unboxing down below. This is just such a beautiful bag, and I just hope more of my girls get to secure it and love it because I can tell this is definitely going to be one of my favorites. So I'm very happy with my purchase. When I tell you she's so scrumptious and just yummy, like who am I with this popular bag? like, I'm not popular. This is like, who am I with this popular on trend bag? I don't know. I'm a cool kid apparently. You guys, I love this bag so much. So yeah, let me know what you think of it. Are you surprised that I chose this color? I'm definitely surprised, but I chose Thunder because y'all know I wear all black all the time, and it's a different type of neutral. I can wear this with pops of color. I can wear it with my blacks. Expect to see her all summer. That's all I have to say. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Let me know if you would like me to do a review. I am obsessed. I'm gonna go pop the tags and put my stuff in her. Yeah. Leave any comments or questions you guys have down below. I will put the exact price that I paid down below in the description box. Shout out to Fashionphile. This video is not sponsored, but definitely hit up your girl because that's where all my bags come from. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.